I listen to the wind of my soul. Where I'll end up, well, I think only God really knows. I've sat upon the setting sun, but never, 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 I never wanted water once. No, never, never, never. I listen to my words, but they fall far below. I let my music take me where my heart wants to go. I've swam upon the devil's lake, but never, never, never.
I'm at my outdoor gym, but I'm not going to work out today. Just walking is up to my knees over here. So it's pretty amazing. So amazing right now. Nature at its best. Glorious. I just love it. Okay. Whew.
I listen to the wind of my soul.